Hi, my name is Miguel, and I'm gonna explain you my poster about cybersecurity. There are several problematic situations that you can find in the internet, but first of all we have to define what cybersecurity is. We are talking about a practice of protecting critical systems and sensitive information from digital attacks. Some of these attacks are sexting, gender cyberviolence, cyberbullying, grooming, sextortion, identity theft, and technology addiction. We are going to start with sexting. It consists in sending messages with erotic content through technological devices. Sometimes it's voluntary, but others isn't, and it becomes an awful crime because the private life of someone can be exposed to the world. Often, it's a form of revenge when some couple breaks and one of the members takes revenge on the other with this attack. Gender cyberviolence. When the violence gender-based is committed through information and communication technologies. It includes online hate speech, WhatsApp, chats, trolling, for example in victim's Facebook profile, cyber harassment, or cyber stalking. Cyberbullying. It occurs when bullying takes place digitally on online platforms like social media, gaming communities, etc. People can make personal attacks, sharing personal or false information. It's usually made between teenagers. Grooming. One adult becomes friends with a child in a digital media like social media, chats, in order to persuade the child to have a sexual relationship, get some sexual images of the child, etc. Most of the time, the adult pretends to be a boy to trick the child. Sextortion. It's a form of blackmail when someone has erotic material from the victim and threatens to divulge it if the victim does not agree to financial or sexual compensation. Other possibility is when someone with power seeks to sexual favors using his power for it. For example, the famous Hollywood producer Harvey Winkins. Identity theft. Someone gets and uses another person's personal data in some way that involves fraud or deception. The most common use is the theft of the victim's password of his credit cards to make online shopping. Technology addiction. Impulse control disorder as a result of excessive use of computers, internet, video games, and mobile devices. So this is my explanation about cybersecurity and the problematic situations on the internet. And as you can see in this picture, this is not a game. This is a really serious problem in our society nowadays. And cybersecurity is the way to stop these kind of situations. So I hope you like my explanation and my poster. Bye.